Okay, so the hard part of this problem is really done, and that was done in the first part to correctly calculate the carrying value of the debt. And we established that the carrying value of the debt is significantly lower than the face value of the debt. And so at the end of each accounting period, when we have to record interest expense and amortization, then this becomes where we need an amortization table. So I've sketched this out ahead of time, and looks like I've forgotten a column here, so let me just quickly insert that. I forgot the interest. So I'm going to show you how to do this in Excel. It's very, very easy and very quick. So I have four rows here on this amortization table, and it's fairly logical. When Adams Wood Milling Company enters into this contract, there's no cash that takes hand, right? We're issuing it, the issue date. No cash changes hands. There's no interest expense recognized by either party. There's no discount that's been amortized. But we do have an unamortized discount, and that's the difference between the face value and the carrying value. And the carrying value is defined, if it's a discount, as the face value minus that unamortized discount. If it's a premium, you add the unamortized premium. So there's the carrying value at issuance. Now 1 year goes by, and the stipulations of the contract say Adam will pay 4% of the face value, so 4% of the face value, 24 grand, and he'll promise to pay that over and over and over. Just format these cells here quick. This is bothering me. So that part of the contract doesn't change. Now the amount of interest Adam recognizes changes because the discount will get amortized using the effective interest method over the life of the loan. In the life of the loan, remember, we established the 12% as a realistic interest rate, and the effective interest rate method says we will force the interest expense to be 12% of the beginning carrying value. And the beginning carrying value is the 484,723. So he should recognize $58,000 of interest expense. That means the amount of the discount that was amortized in this first accounting period after this first payment was the difference between the interest and the cash paid, 34,000 some odd dollars. That means the discount now has been reduced by that amount. It sits at 81,000. So at the end of the first year, the carrying value of the loan, actually it should go up, and there are several ways to calculate this. I just like to go back to the fact that carrying value is a function of the face value minus any unamortized discount. So you can see the carrying value went up. That's logical. Okay, so then the second interest payment period, we're going to say that the interest is we're going to force it to be 12% of the beginning carrying value. The beginning carrying value is now 518,889 because that's the amount at the beginning of the next accounting period. My interest expense went higher. The discount amount is the difference between those two. So the unamortized discount, you'll realize this discount account is shrinking. It's this amount minus the amount we just amortized. Again, the carrying value is the face amount minus any unamortized discount. And hopefully this last period, it's going to be close to 12% of the beginning carrying value, which would do something like this. Oops. Would give us discount amortization of 42,000. Brings that down to, it should be 0, right? We're going to have a rounding error here. And the carrying value goes to the face value minus the discount. We would force at this period point for it to be 600,000. But this is my amortization table, and those are the mechanics you go through to calculate it. And now when we go ahead and we record any journal entries that have to deal with interest, or we need to know the carrying value reported on the balance sheet, we've got it all summarized right here, nice and neat and easy to follow.